Hi, my name is Ashley McKeon, and this is my app that I created. So I created an app for piano students and teachers. It's called Piano Studio, and I designed it to be on the desktop and the tablet. So this is the tablet. It's mainly supposed to be for the students. So this would be the first page they see, and they would type in their username and password. Once they did that, it would bring them to this page. This is the home page. This is where they would be able to see their teacher's notes, their songs, and their music, and the announcements. The good thing about this app would be being able to have it all in one place. Most of the time, piano students have multiple books that they need to bring. They need to bring their notes from their teachers and trying to keep track of all the different things coming up and announcements. It would be great to have them all in one place. So this is what this app does. So once they get to this page, they can choose which one to go to. But if we go to teacher's notes, we'll see all of the things that the student will have to do that week before they meet with their teacher again. So if they have to practice waterfall 5 times each day, that's what they'll do, and this will just give them an idea so they know what they're supposed to do this week. If we go up to this menu, it will pull down all of the different pages that this app has. So songs and music, this is where they would access all of their books, all of their songs that they're learning, all of their finger exercises and sight reading. Everything would be on this page, and when you clicked on this page, it would pull it up so that they would be able to read the sheet music clearly. In the announcements, this is where they would be able to see what's coming up, what lesson they have next week, or whatever, recitals, summer break, things like that. So all the announcements would be put here. And most of the time when learning piano, all the way up until you're amazing, most of the time you want to practice every day for a certain amount of time, whether it's 30 minutes or an hour, it doesn't matter. And so up here is where you would be able to set your timer, and sometimes when learning a new song, it's good to have a metronome and it just keeps you on beat. So you would be able to put in your time signature and the tempo over here, and that would start going so you could practice your songs. Overall, that is it for the tablet in the students section. The next thing I had was for the teacher. This is the desktop version. They would put in their username and password, and it would bring them to this page. So this page is actually the announcements page, but this is what you would look at first. So on the announcements page over here, you would have all your announcements, everything that's coming up, recital practices, recitals, summer break, summer piano camp. And over here, you can see the upcoming lessons. So they have lessons all on Tuesdays, pretty much all day, and here they can see that. If you go to the calendar up here, this gives you an overview of what your month looks like. You can put in your schedules, you can put in group lessons, single personal lessons, recitals, everything like that. And that will just give you an overview of what your month looked like so you can know what days are free and what days are really busy. If you go to the student information page, this gives you a list of all the students you have and their contact info. A lot of times something will happen or something else will come up, and it's just good to have their phone number and their email in case you need to get a hold of them. From here, they would be able to click on a person and it would bring them to their personal page. So anytime you click on a person's name, it'll bring you to that person's page, that student's page. So here it shows still their phone number and email, but it goes a little bit in depth into the teacher's notes of what they asked them to do that week, their current piano books and songs, and the lesson time that they will be coming over, just so the teacher can review beforehand, and they'll know sort of where that student is at. Besides that, that's about it. Thank you so much.